How to delete the iOS update in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete the iOS update on your iPhone. First, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you reach here, go to the General option. Then, tap on Software Update and update your software to the latest version. Now go back and tap on the Phone Storage option. Here, scroll down and you will find the system data. Next, tap on it and you can see the total size of your data. After that, go back to General and tap on the Transfer Data option. Following that, you can transfer or reset your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.